It's Patrick from Pals. This is a typical vintage engine. This is a 340 Dodge engine. And the owner brought it in because the engine wasn't working properly. If you look down inside, you can see that the camshaft is wiped out. That's what a camshaft that doesn't work properly looks like. The lobes are completely worn down. It's a combination of using the wrong oil in the car and not changing the oil in timely fashion. Now, how do we know that? Well, if you look inside the pan, look at the amount of sludge that's inside this engine. This engine was never maintained properly. And because it's an antique and a vintage engine, it will be very expensive to remanufacture and get back to normal. So, if you have a new car or an old car, do your maintenance on time. Put the proper fluids in the car and monitor your fluids. Don't let this happen to you. See you soon.